Island Heat Caribbean Show, APAP Radio. Keep it locked. From yard to the street. APAP Radio. Keep it locked.
The shoulder.
I was feeling ill when I get my house call from Dr. Cassandra. But she gave me pain, now my whole body feeling better than ever. She gave me one injection in my midsection, I didn't have to pay. Then she gave me something and then the swallow fever gone right away. One injection in my midsection, I didn't have to pay. Then she gave me something and then the swallow fever gone right away. When you're coming back, Santa, when you're coming to give me medicine.
Be quiet, boy, I'm your doctor. I'm here to make you better.
When you're coming back, Santa, when you're coming to give me medicine.
Be quiet, boy, I'm your doctor. I'm here to make you better. I'm your doctor. I'm your doctor.
She took my hair, she took my there, she took my hair, she took my there, she took.
I'm your doctor.
I said, doctor, please come and prick me.
Yes. That's the Island Heat Caribbean Show. We coming in with the official program for tonight. The Mighty Gabby and Dr. Cassandra song just play. And we're going to mash up the place from yard to the streets.
That's how it goes. Greetings, massive. Welcome to the Island Heat Show, the best from yard to the streets. I am your host, Super Peck.
And I'm Lady Lala Bella. I'm so happy to see you tonight, Peck.
Hey, same here. Hey, it's Monday night. You know, we ready to do that, too. You know?
Yes, and I'm ready to warm up the Island Massive to all the great things that are going on. But first, let's talk about APAP Media Group.
Of course, we got to always big up our sponsors. Tonight's episode is brought to you by our sponsors, APAP Media Group. APAP Media is a full-service creative video and photo production company specializing in podcasting, multimedia camera, and live streaming.
And their mission is to take on creative challenges in preserving and telling stories in a visually compelling manner. Now, these is done for individuals, corporations, anybody who's a content creator looking to take their business to the next level. We can help you achieve that, whatever your preconceived objective may be.
That's right. So definitely contact APAP Media at info@apapmedia.com. That's apapmedia.com. Thank you to our sponsors, APAP Media.
And big up Mr. P on the controls tonight. We got a good show for you.
We got a great show. Listen, we got some really great friends of the show. You know what I mean? And I got to say thank you for all of the support that has been coming in from all over the place. I just appreciate love you. You understand? Big up yourselves each and every time. Richie, you done know. You're large. Hey. Now, this is Island Heat, and this is where we feature Caribbean music, culture, and topics. So hold on to your seat. We've got a great show for you. Today's topic is all about
Crop over.
bam, 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 bam. So big up to all of our Bajans. Crop over just finished up. And so, you know, we want to make sure we shout out and acknowledge Crop Over. Now, you know, of course, we got a great lineup as usual.
How you mean? So we're going to be giving you reggae. We're going to be giving you calypso. We're going to be giving you soca. We're going to be giving you a mixture of the Latin flavors in there as well. A little bit Afrocentric beats as well. So we have a great mix for you tonight.
All of that.
Every time.
And of course, we've got our All Things Caribbean trivia,
Yes,
where we find out how Caribbean are you really? You know, how well do you know the islands?
And of course, we're going to be giving you the heat from the streets. That's going to be the top stories and features for tonight, including mix-up, news, must-know topics, and the events from the island movers and shakers.
And at 10 p.m., we will be doing the top 10 countdown of the top 10 songs from Atlanta-based Caribbean artists. So, you know, hold on to your seats. And of course, we've got a very special interview lined up. I'm not even going to say the name.
Don't give it to us.
as yet. Nope.
Just stay tuned.
But let me tell you this. I big somebody in the reggae
Somebody-
music
oh, you
in the street.
mean. Respectful.
Yeah, you mean. So how about we jump into the trivia
Okay.
and we see, we give them that test and see, how good they do on this one.
Awesome. So, as you know, our All Things Caribbean trivia are always about something that's going on in the Caribbean for this season. Now, this particular track is very important because it chronologues a very significant era in what is considered reggae and rocksteady music. What popular song featured the Marcus Garvey prophecy of 7777, dictating that the oppressed would rise above the oppressor? Is it A, Black Uhuru, Penitentiary? B, Culture, 2 7s Clash? C, Mighty Diamonds, I Need a Roof? Or D, Peter Tosh, Legalize It? I wonder. Now, there's some good tunes. If you know music,
That's a very good
you can't put
tunes.
2 and 2 together. Still.
All right, so we'll give them a little time to think about that. All right.
Drop in the chat. Let us know your thoughts. And we're going to jump right into the music.
All right. So, we're just finishing up Crop Over.
Right.
Right. Very significant celebration in Barbados. In fact, the number one carnival-like celebration on the island of Barbados. So we're representing, this is a brand spanking new Allison Hines coming at you, y'all.
Sister.
Hot Stepper. Let's go.
Hot queen of soca. I ain't easy. Hot queen of soca. Hot queen of soca. Hot queen of soca. I ain't easy.
From yard to the streets.
Hot stepper. Boy, I tell you I don't want you, but your persistent. 2 different country, me now in a long distance. Romantic, but you convince me now. Say you have big plans. Oh yeah, now we meet up in the Fed. What you are gonna do about it? You better back up your top. That wine you will lock up your heart. When the big bumper start, wine boy trying to drop off. Baby, you better back up your top. That wine you will lock up your heart. Hot stepper. When the big bumper start, wine boy trying to drop off. Hot stepper. You better know when I back it up. Hot pepper, hot stepper. Make sure so you can take pressure. Back it up. You better hot stepper. You better know when I back it up. Show me that you can wine, boy, to keep me perfect. I want the hot queen of soca.
Hey, brand new Allison Hines, y'all. She remind everybody the
Queen
queen
of
of soca.
Who is the queen?
Hey, one queen. No dispute in the soca world. That's what they say. All right, no, that's what I say.
Put some respect on our name.
Oh, yeah, I mean, I'm liking it. It's all about the hot stepper. This is Allison Hines, y'all.
Hot stepper.
Hot stepper. Boy, I tell you I don't want you, but you're persistent. 2 different country, me now in a long distance. Romantic, but you convince me now. Say you have big plans. Oh yeah, now we meet up in the Fed. What you are gonna do about it? You better back up your top. That wine you will lock up your heart. When the big bumper start, wine boy trying to drop off. Baby, you better back up your top. That wine you will lock up your heart. Hot stepper. When the big bumper start, wine boy trying to drop off. Hot stepper. You better know when I back it up. Hot pepper, hot stepper. Make sure so you can take pressure. Back it up. You better hot stepper. You better know when I back it up. Show
Now,
me that you can.
when it comes along to big artists
Yes.
from Barbados,
Tell us now.
all right, you got Allison,
Allison Hines.
you got Rihanna,
Rihanna.
and everybody has got to remember Rupee.
Ruby.
Don't blame it on the music, y'all. This one entitled Tears. Let's go.
Yes, bring it.
We've been through too much. Don't bother with the bag a long time. Don't bother with the bag a long time. Let them say what they want. They just want what we've got. Don't bother with the bag a long time. Don't bother with the bag a long time. No. Dry your tears for me. Never let them. family.
From yacht to the streets.
Come on. Girl, don't give up. We've been through too much. Don't bother with the bag of long talk. Don't bother with the bag of long talk. Let them say what they want. They just want what we've got. Don't bother with the bag of long talk. Don't bother with the bag of long talking. No, no. Dry your tears for me. Never let them see. No, dry your tears. Don't ever let them see. If they had their way, if they had their way, there'd be no more me and you. That's just what they wanna do. If they had their way, if they had their way, there'd be no more me and you. That's just what they wanna do.
Danger, danger, danger. This girl, she is danger, danger, danger. She looks like an angel.
This is the voice of the man, Skinny Fabulous. This is one called the Time Bomb. Let's go, let's go.
She don't believe in love no more. She don't love no more. Cause she's broken. She's so broken. When you knock that door, she gets up and lock that door. She's not open. She's not open. She is a walking time bomb. She's ready to blow. She is a walking time bomb. And any minute she'll explode. She make it blow like tick, 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 tick. She go tick, 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 tick. She go tick, 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 tick. She go tick, tick, tick. She make it blow like tick, 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 tick. She go tick, 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 tick. She go tick, 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 tick. She go tick, tick, tick. Time bomb. Time bomb. Time bomb. Time bomb. I won't.
Yes, indeed, y'all. That was the voice of Skinny Fabulous. Before that, you heard from the man himself, Rupee. Never heard from Rupee in a minute.
I like it. You know, Rupee's classic. You can't go out of style.
Hey, and of course, the queen still on the throne. Alison Hines starting it off.
Queen of soca.
Shout outs to all our Bajans out there. You know, we've got about 3 more minutes. I want to squeeze in one more rhythm. This one is called the Summer Shot Rhythm. Summer Shot Rhythm, y'all. Y'all tell me what you feel about this one. Let's go, let's go. Check the bounce.
You need money.
Summertime, London nice in a summertime, America nice in a summertime, but Jamaica nice every time. Yeah.
The voice of Delhi Ranks, y'all.
Europe nice in a summertime, Canada nice in a summertime, all over the world. Party shot, the party shot. Anywhere me go, me have to lock the party spot. To slap with the bar on the block. The truck them roll out the vehicle, drop off the top. Hop girl where you see me with a my Barbie doll. All this everything I'm in a decide to stop. The girl them a bubble like soap in a pot. Them a wine and a boom pan that. Yeah. Yes, we a bill a vibe till the morning. Yes, we a party hard without warning. Yes, every girl in the place I'm me darling. Yes, girl we a embrace till the morning. Yes, we a bill a vibe till the morning. Yes, we a party hard without warning. Yes, every girl in the place I'm me darling. Yes, girl we a embrace till the morning.
Start up your bike and you carry them big Benz, they are no stylish. Then I cheer for the team like man in a party, I load like behind them. Yeah, we a drink rum and orange juice. Me a the principal in school. Big fat whip wedded and them crews. Y'all say we taste like foreign food. We a shell down the party, white dog full of ink of the formula. We believe in a God, so we a born winner. And them girls, the gardener. See the weed, the smokes up the past side. 120 in a Benz flag, go price right. Top neat, me make sure my pants tight. I-14 go one side with hand drive.
Rich, rich man, rich man, rich. Yeah.
the streets.
It's bright. You need money. Rich dogs, yeah.
J.A.
Rich dog. Till them have to call me the rich god. Next part, I'm not even pissed off. My time now, check out the wrist dog. Middle of the summer, me next still a freeze off. This the link and them a squeeze off. And the big 7 series a speed off. And the NATO, I win a trailer. When me some John in a regular style, I exotic car with some jet in the skies. We touch on the ground, girl, I see how we fly. Cause I'm on the bill, I want shirt to buy. You say we not hustle at the life. Cause money I fi make from we's alive. We make mama happy, upgrade her life. And all my dogs are right, so you know the vibe. Rich me rich out and rich dog. Till them have to call me the rich guy. Next part, I'm not even pissed off. My time now, check out the wrist dog. Middle of the summer, me next still a freeze off. This the link and them a squeeze off. And the big 7 series a speed off. And the NATO, I win a trailer. Tell the pro. What I like to do full life,
From yard to the streets.
Tell them we are done, we are can't cool, yeah. Roll out the bikes and the cars, let's move, yeah. Let's move it, the ladies that done and they've got the groove, yeah. The girl them come out in a summer shots. Them a take notes like summer class.
just to it hot like Mercury. As them girls do it all just 10 minutes. I'm a young girl and big woman I said to her in a run nursery. Be a girl I track for it. Girl I bring the on anniversary. And I see her husband need a surgery. Oh, me and my friend them a restart. Shell down the tree while we are taking drill far. Take up the phone, call some friends. Tell them to link up. Then pick up few girls that we gone to the beach, oh. The vibes up, liquor in a cup. Girl, they enough can't wait for wind up. And every girl designer, oh. And some me know say that's some of your child.
Tell them we are done, we are can't cool, yeah.
For the summer,
Yeah, yeah. Roll out the bikes and the cars, let's move, yeah.
let's move it, so.
The ladies that done and they've got the groove, yeah.
For the summer,
The girl them come out in a summer shots. Them a take notes like summer class.
yo, Woski.
The summer's not over, y'all. The summer's not over. The summer is not over. We still partying. That one is called the Summer Shot Rhythm.
It bought it a vibe.
Amen. Something takes that. You're listening to the Island Heat Show right here on APAP Radio, y'all. Now, what we have? It's time to tell the people the answer
Trivia
to
answer.
our trivia question.
So I'm just going to go tell you what the trivia question was for tonight. What popular song featured the Marcus Garvey prophecy of 7777, dictating that the oppressed will rise above the oppressor? It was A, Black Uhuru, B, Culture, 2 Sevens Clash, C, Mighty Diamonds, I Need a Roof, and D, Peter Tosh, Legalize It. Now, this particular track, known as 2 Sevens Clash by Culture, was very big in the late 70s because reggae was coming out of Jamaica strong after independence from Great Britain, and reggae was known as an outlet for freedom fighters fighting against the political powers of oppression. It was the music for the rebels. Now, in 1977, the 2 Sevens Clash single quickly became a requested staple of the mobile sound systems that played for parties in the island's urban and country communities. Now, the song's popularity slowly began to boil to the point that on 7/7/77, the day when the 2 Sevens really clashed, the entire capital city of Kingston reportedly became a ghost town. Everyone from politicians to businessmen to ghetto residents stayed indoors just in case the world was going to come.
Watali and Bangali.
Now, even though the apocalypse never happened, from that point on, Rastafari's were taken seriously in Jamaica, and culture became revered as the guiding light of roots reggae music. Fans demanded an album, and the rest is history. The song featured production by the legendary duo Sly and Robbie.
Let's give them a little taste, y'all.
two cents price. My good old prophet Marcus Garvey prophesied, St. Jacob, Tel Aviv, and Kingston is gonna meet. And I can see with my own eyes, it's only a housing scheme that divide what I live on
Madrid.
Yeah, big music right there, y'all.
And I mean, that music is for the big people. And we know that when out there, if you're listening, drop some flames in the chat. Make sure to share the link with a friend and stay tuned for our special feature this evening.
Oh yeah. You're gonna want to definitely keep it locked for that. TJ.
Talk to me.
TJ is in the news giving thanks to Trinidad. He rates Trinidad music.
Now, Trinidad, we talked about this before, has an urban music that is different from dancehall that they have titled Trinidad. So this style of music has been popularized and is very is well known across the Caribbean, but Jamaicans in particular, TJ, is really giving it a highlight because of the love and support he's gotten from that crowd. Now, Timoy, TJ Jones, is thanking Trinidad and Tobago for supporting his music and his career. He is going to headline Magnum Explosion Summer Stage Concert scheduled for Saturday, August 19th at the Queen's Park, Savannah. Trinidad has always been my place. Long before this drift thing, Trinidad was the first place where TJ really bust underground. Now people all over the world know about TJ, but it was Trinidad seed that grow since 2016 and make it an even bigger scene. Trinidad has always been supportive of TJ, and I'm always grateful to give one of the ratings because you respect we.
Yeah, man. Big up to TJ every time. Listen, Trinidad is one of those places that I've often heard artists say that when they visit, there are different songs in the catalog that they realize are huge hits in Trinidad that may not be getting the same kind of response in Jamaica. But they go there and they always have to make sure they're adding those songs, some new songs to their show performance because they didn't realize how big they would be. But big up to Trinidad each and every time.
Absolutely. And TJ goes on to say it's akin to coming home party that will validate and show appreciation for all the support that he's been given. The Up Top boss has been busy promoting Drift, which has already amassed over 8 million views in less than 8 weeks and continues to receive heavy rotation and requests live on radio stations everywhere. So congratulations for TJ and Drift. That's a big single of the summer. So I want to just give him his credit where it's due. Big ups to the agency as well.
Yeah, man. Big things in the future for TJ for sure. You signed that big distribution deal.
Yeah.
And so, TJ's music should be getting everywhere.
To the world.
To the universe, Anywhere you pick up music, you're supposed to be able to drift.
Absolutely.
Drift.
Absolutely.
If you want to hear
and I love to see the school youth them a dance. My breakdown.
Who hasn't done a drift
viral video?
Videos yet?
I mean, if you're in school, if you're in one of the colleges, you don't know that is the song of the summer. People have been drifting.
If I check Mr. P TikTok, I bet you Mr. P out there did a GIF.
If you know, you know.
So the theme of today's show is
crap over. So we're moving from Trinidad, right down to Barbados.
It's just a short hop, skip, of the jump, right, around the Greater Antilles, right?
Yes,
there,
yes.
So we started off the show with the mighty Gabby, Dr. Cassandra. And just want to shout out the mighty Gabby as he is definitely one of the most legendary Barbadian Calypsonians and cultural ambassador for the island of Barbados. He was the youngest Calypsonian to have won the Calypso crown in Barbados at the age of 19, all the way back in 1968. And he went on to win the Calypso King title in 69, 76, 85, 99, in 2000, and again in 2010. So he just every decade said, yo, I'm still here, still here doing the thing. So definitely shout outs to the mighty Gabby.
Now, 700 songs in this man's catalog. That is a huge catalog of some of the greatest, 40 years of calypso music. And he's well known for his satirical songs, criticizing politicians, and talking about the cultural trends.
Bam. So, crop over itself is like how you have Trinidad Carnival. Basically, crop over is Barbados' big carnival, and we are just minutes from our very, very special guest. So what I want to do is we're going to drop some songs real quick.
All right, sound good to me.
So that we can bring our guests in right on time. All right? Because this is a big treat. Right now, I need everybody, if you really care about your people, yeah, you want to share the link right now.
Share out the link, then send it out to receive it. Do your thing.
If your people know and love reggae music, you want to share the link right now. This is Island Heat, y'all, from yard to the street.
Island heat from yard to the streets.
Like government roads, potholes, ups and downs, yeah. But I wouldn't change, not a thing, girl, me just want you around. But I can go from Superman to zero with one text. But anytime you need me, call me hero, no flex. Cause all the while me know you wanna lay your head on my chest. You know, I promise you I'll always be around, so don't stress.
That's brand new music from the man Kali Buds, y'all.
Real smooth, Uncle One drop on them.
Shout outs to all my people from Bermuda.
Shout out to all my people from Barbados.
Yeah, them too. Shout out to all my yardie them.
Shout out to all my Trinidad.
Yo, big up to my Haitian sack posse.
And big up to all my people from St. Croix.
Yo, Atlanta, we there, you know. Atlanta to the world. A-Town. Let's go. This is Kali Buds, yo. It's all about you around. Let's go.
I know you done all that you can to make everything alright. And I'm so blessed to have you in my life, girl. Our life kinda like government roads, potholes, ups and downs, yeah. But I wouldn't change, not a thing, girl, me just want you around. But I can go from Superman to zero with one text. But anytime you need me, call me hero, no flex. Cause all the while me know you wanna lay your head on my chest. You know, I promise you I'll always be around, so don't stress. Girl, it's just me and you, true and true, yeah. Just give me all your love tonight. It's just me and you, see my cool, don't know, say me give you all my love tonight. Cause when things pop off, girl, you know we have it locked, covered. Cause when the light lock off, both to pop off, yeah. Showered, and you know, say, yeah. Give you all of it, yeah. Everything, yeah. But I can go from Superman to zero with one text. But anytime you need me, call me hero, no flex. Cause all the while me
thing on your mind. Let me touch you where you like it. Let me do it for you. Give you all of my attention. Dive into that ocean of your love. Let me show you just how much I want you. Dripping down your body like gold. Slowly steaming up the windows. My skin on your skin. Again and again. Sweat for me, sweat for me. Staying up for you. Day and night for you. We've been losing track of time.
It's the voice of Christopher Martin, y'all.
Sweet vocals.
He said sweat.
Hey. You know, Christopher Martin, I love the song for the ladies, them.
Hey, very appropriate for Island Heat, y'all. Cause we turning up the heat. Everybody listening right now, sweat, sweat, sweat.
Excellent.
Only one thing on your mind. Let me touch you where you like it. Let me do it for you. Give you all of my attention. Dive into that ocean of your love. Let me show you just how much I want you. Dripping down your body like gold. Slowly steaming up the windows. My skin on your skin. Again and again. Sweat for me, sweat for me. You love it when I tear off your clothes, baby. Slowly steaming up the windows. My skin on your skin. Again and again. Sweat for me, sweat for me. Girl, I could get lost in a heartbeat. Ooh, I can't get over your body.
So that was Christopher Martin, brand new. I mean, I got that one like in the last 24 hours.
Well, see it there. You know, Sepeka have the newest tracks to give us. Island Heated call, you know.
Hey, scorching, fuego, fuego, fuego. Yeah, muy caliente.
And you heard it here first on APAP Radio.
Bam, to the world.
Cabo.
I think it's gonna do its thing. I think the ladies are especially gonna like that. Listen. I'm gonna get in one more. I want to squeeze in this one more. We're gonna change up the energy. You know, with last week being Jamaica Independence, I heard a lot of ska. Ska. Yeah, this is some new ska vibes from Hawaii, y'all. This is J Boog. Let's go. Check out this instrumental, yeah. Song called Uma. Reggae. The voice of J Boogs, brand new music. I like it, the ska vibes, yo. In 2023, still got some ska sound out there. New music. Yeah. Hawaii. Love Jamaican music. Bad, you know?
I love Jamaican music, bad, and my heart goes out to anyone who has been affected by the fires, because it was a tragic event. We're gonna continue to spread one love around the world, same way.
That's all we do, When you leave it in the one drop, when it hits, feel no pain,
Yeah.
Heal the world.
Heal the world with music.
Make it a better place.
For you and for
Speaking of legendary instrumentals,
Tell them no.
legendary reggae music,
Oh yes, one of the most sampled beats, rhythms of musical history right here.
that's right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, on Island Heat tonight, we have the pleasure of speaking with one of the legends of reggae music, a legendary drummer, and probably best known as half of the prolific Jamaican rhythm section and reggae production duo, Sly and Robbie. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we have the man himself,
None other than.
Sly Dunbar, joining us. Welcome,
Yeah,
welcome,
man.
welcome.
Hello. Yeah, man. Respect.
Greetings.
Greetings.
Yeah, man. How you doing?
All is well, all is well. Super Peck and Lady Lalabella here.
Thanks
Yeah.
for checking in. Thanks for checking in.
Yeah, man.
So let me jump right in, because I know you're very busy. I know you're in the studio and still at work on lots of musical projects. And now, with over 5 decades in music, you've played an essential role in developing the very sound of reggae music today. You've worked on so many classic tracks, from The Right Time to we just
Seven
played a little bit
Clash,
of seven
Clash.
yeah, 2/7's Clash, Stepping Razor. You've worked with so many international artists, reggae music. Tell me, at this point, when you look back at the career, Mr. Dunbar, we can hardly see you. If you can adjust the camera just a little bit so folks can see a little better. There you go. There you go.
Is that okay?
That's much better. That's much better.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you. So with so much that you have put into reggae music industry, looking back at the 50 years and working on so many just landmark reggae music songs, just staples, do you ever feel that, boy, I tell you, what would the business be without me?
Yeah, it would be good same way, man. Definitely.
I don't know, it's like, wait, I was doing my research. I was like, wait, hold on. Probably for the better part of what we know of global reggae music.
Musical recordings from analog transitioning to digital, you have created the staples of all of those musicals. From the rock to the roots to the reggae, you were present in the recording studio and even on tour. Tell us a little bit about what makes your sound so original and so sampleable.
Okay, what make my sound so original and sample? Yeah, I'm really, Robbie and myself always playing for the people. So the people make us play all the songs that they've heard. You're the one who make us play, because we look at your personality and the way you move, and we try and make the music to match you. So that's what we do. We try and please you with the music. We don't please ourselves.
Right.
So most of the rhythm that we make, it always goes out to people. We see people doing things and we say, they're talking this and saying that. Let's make the music that could match what they're doing.
The soundtrack to life.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's find out. So in the very beginnings, let's tell the people, where in Jamaica were you born?
Yeah, I was born in Kingston, Jamaica, 2G Windward Road, the east side of Jamaica. Yeah.
Okay. And what was life like at that time as a youth growing up for you?
Well, it was just like, it was a kind of ghetto life in a way, but it was fun. I mean, it was a rich ghetto life in a sense. And I mean, we enjoy what we're doing and everything, but the music was always around, you know.
Okay,
So
okay,
the music kind of keep us out of certain trouble and things like that because all you focus on, you when you're going to school was just the music.
gotcha.
So what made you want to pick up the drum? What was your
Well,
inspiration?
first I'd like guitar and like piano, but why I choose the drum because of a famous drummer by the name of Lloyd Nibbs who plays for the Scatterlights, who used to play for the Scatterlights. I think
Yes.
he's the best drummer in the world. So he inspired me, you know, and I admired what he has done for the music of ska. And I decided I want to play the drums.
Okay. Now, it was at the age of 15 that you really picked up the
Now
drums?
I started at 14. The first song I
14.
played when I was 14 is a song called Night Doctor produced by Ansel Collins. He's the one who took me to studio, but it came out as the Upsetters.
Okay.
It came out as the Upsetters. And then before I reached 15 now, I'm going on 15, I played on Double Barrel, which was a million seller with Dave and Nancy Collins. Went to number
Mm.
one in England and number 22 in America in the 70s, yeah, early 70s.
This is like when they say, Prince, a child prodigy, basically at
Yeah,
16,
yeah,
17, producing.
yeah.
He's doing it even younger.
Yes.
This is
Yeah, so
incredible.
Ansel Collins and people like Light Parks were the one who kind of tutor me, you know,
Okay.
and keep me intact, you know. So from there on, I just keep on going with being around these people. I don't think I could do any wrong, you know.
So you never got formal training. You would say that just being around these prolific
Yeah,
musicians,
yeah. I
producers.
never get no formal training. I didn't go to the music school or anything. Just listen to the music while going to school. And my friend and I, Willie Williams, used to be in the same class, and we used to fool around. When we get free period, we'd bang at the desk and sing song. And that's how Ken Booth came to our school and performed for one
Wow.
summer when we were going on summer holiday.
Yes.
And he had a song called Puppet on the String was very big. And the Galileans band came there. And I said to Willie, this is it, man, music.
Right.
So I want to big up the great Ken Booth, you know,
Yes, every
for helping
time.
us make up our mind where we want what we want to do.
Awesome, awesome. Now, in
Yeah.
1972, you had met a young man by the name of Robbie Shakespeare, and he was the bass guitarist for the Hippie Boys at that time. Is that
Yeah,
correct?
Robbie was bass guitar. Before I met Robbie, it was myself and on Live Parks used to play bass, and then it was Ranchi, myself, we joined together. And when we used to play in a band called Skin, Flesh and Bones.
Okay.
And then Robbie used to play in a band he used to play at a club called Evil People on the same road in Kingston and Red Hills Road. So Robbie come over and listen to my band, I go over and listen to Robbie band, and then I think Tauta of Inner Circle was the one who Tauta kind of said, you should come over and listen to this drummer called Sly. And Robbie came over and listened, then they booked some time with Bunny Lee, booked some studio time and went in and did a session. And from there, then we did a couple sessions in Jamaica, Robbie and myself, and producing for the label Taxi, because it all started first with Ranchi, and then Ranchi didn't want to be a part of it anymore. And Robbie and myself picked it up, and then Robbie asked me to join him in Peter Touch's band when Peter Touch was going to be on his first solo tour. And I became a part of the Words on the Power. Robbie and myself were like the first set of musicians who were invited to be a part of Peter band. And then Peter kind of introduced myself and Robbie to the international marketplace. That's the first time people were going to see us together. It
Right.
was playing with Peter Tosh, you know. And from there on, we used to talk music in our room, what we want to do, and trying things and doing things. You know, taking it on the cutting edge, doing things. We don't care if it work or don't work. If
Uh,
it didn't work, we would try again. Let's keep on it until it worked. So that's what we did, you know. But we believe in the music and realized it was a long road, so we decided to take that road, you know.
okay, so when you guys joined the Tosh band together, was it already a decided thing that you would stay together musically through your careers, or it
We,
was
we,
at
we,
that
we,
time it
we,
was just
we,
that
we,
band?
no, no, we were there musically all together because this is what made us so strong because we're there together. You know, it just that wasn't like us playing in a band with a bass player. It was like we were like a partner,
Right.
and we kind of grew together. That's why we developed this kind of rhythm sensation and to groove by talking at night time, sharing a room those days and talking about what we think we want to do. And even if we're not playing music, let's talk about what we think we could should do and what can be done, and we'll go and try it. So it was just like that, that's not only playing in touches, man,
Mm,
to be together. We were off, we're not playing it, we are still together every day.
mm.
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. Now you have developed some unique drum techniques that that even people apparently when they first heard it, they say, no, that can't be a person. It's got to be an effect on it. So tell me about that drum pattern for the right time.
Well, the first time was what we did. I remember I was doing a session once, and I think somebody by the name of Arman Shinloy, they came and said I should play like Santa, and I said I can't play like Santa, and it was done. Said I should play like Santa, and said, but I did the session anyway, so I look at it and say, well, the only way out of this, we have to try and create a sound for ourselves and do some recording and play what we can play, what we want to play. So I asked Ernest from Channel One, the engineer, to give him some free time. So he gave us some time. So like myself, Doogie, Ansel, and Ranchi, each of us made a rhythm for ourselves. And then we kind of said, well, we need to give Ernest a rhythm. So I made that right time rhythm. So Ernest, this is your rhythm, And he said, really? So then the right time rhythm now was something my friend and I named Bobby used to walk, and I think it's that kind of bass line, and we used to play the drum pattern because I used to listen to a lot of James Brown, a lot of
Mm,
American soul. So I realized in James Brown the drum was like the powerhouse for James
yeah.
Brown. So I wanted to bring that instinct into reggae, and then James Brown would say, "Give the drummer some the place to get excited." So we said, "How can we get reggae to be a standalone thing with the drum and everything like that?" So when we came to Channel One now, we tried to experiment with rhythm. So I played. Nobody knew what I was gonna play. I played that. And Ernest Jojo came in even and heard it and said, "Wow, this is nice." I liked it. And I came back there the Sunday following and I heard Diamond sing, "When the right time come." I said,
Mm-hmm.
"Wow, this is big." And he came out and it was a big hit. And then everybody was saying, "Oh, no, it's not the drummer playing. It's like trick on the board, like a delay thing they use it." So a lot of people used to come up sometime from downtown to watch me and see if I'm playing it for real. And if the trick on the game, they say, "No, he's playing it for real." So it started going around that what I'm doing is not no trick from the board. And then Jojo and Channel One kind of give up the freedom to create. So
Mm-hmm.
Ernest and myself who worked on the drum song for Channel One, we started taking it serious and started working on patterns and things like that for the music. And then Jojo would say, "We're not gonna cut until Sly find a beat that he wants to put behind his tune." So but Channel One took the drum very serious, and they kind of helped me to launch myself as who I am today, trying to be who I am today.
Amazing, amazing, amazing story.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now so many are copying or have copied your style. You know?
Well, it's there for them to play. Sometimes I don't know where I get the style from. It just happen. So I don't know. Sometimes it's hard to just figure out where I got it from. But it all depends on the song that I'm playing and the melody and everything.
Mm-hmm.
And I'd work out the beat to match whatever the singer is singing.
Right, right.
Phenomenal. And as a master collaborator, having worked with Mick Jagger, the Rolling Stones,
Yeah.
no doubt, countless others, Grace Jones, what is
Bob
the
Dylan,
key? Bob Dylan, what's the key to collaboration?
Joe Cocker,
See
Mm-hmm.
there.
Yeah, yeah,
Gwen
man.
Guthrie. When
Hey,
got Simple Red.
yeah.
Some of the members of Simple Red, a lot of them. I sometimes can't remember. Nora, what's her name? She's singing Patti LaBelle in the Blue Bells.
Nora
A
Jones,
lot of Nora Hendricks,
Hendrix.
Carly Simon, a lot of them.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people work with. Garland Jeffries in the early days, he was on the first one they played for. And a lot of people, I can't remember sometimes, a lot. A lot.
Within the music industry, if there's anything they know about reggae music, it's got to be Bob Marley and Sly and Robbie.
I don't think well, when you say Bob Marley, I can't believe that. But we came when it was already developed, and the pattern was set, the template was set. So We like growing up listening to Bob Marley, and which I like very much the Wailers, and listen to other drummers like Phil Calenda, Carlton Barrett, who used to play for Wailers, and Mikey Boo, and Bonnie Williams, all these great Paul Douglas from Two Centimeters. We have produced some really great drummers. Joe Isaacs, he's played Studio One and things like that. Arse Mode. So when I came in and these drummers were so good, I don't think there was a place for me. So I had to find my place. So I used to listen to a lot of African music,
Okay.
and see the African just dancing to drums and singing. And I said, wow. So for real, it can work. So I try and working on some beats which I think people could dance to, just without dancing to the beat of the drum by itself. So as I say, go back to James Brown when he would get funky, and the drummers get funky, and the place would go wild when they get funky. So I kind of apply the same application to reggae to see if it would work, and it worked. And if you look at a song like Freddie McKay, I Need a Big Hill Boost, the festival song, I could hear me playing that kind of thing, and then people ask me, "Oh, I came up with a pattern," and I said, "Well, Jojo say he wants to win, so I just say play that," and I just play that, and it came true and won. So it's just a thinking all the time. Robbie and myself we think of the drum and the bass as standalone unit. So when you take out the rhythm section, the bass and the drums should stand up in your face same way. So that's how I really play. I play to get that attacking pattern that it could be a standalone unit. Just like James wants to give it so much drum and then it get funky and the place go wild.
Right.
So when you say dub wise, for us and me and Robbie's playing, we just change the rhythm and the whole thing kind of explode and take a different avenue, and then we come back into the song. So kind of get those ideas from James Brown to make the song really groovy and
Yeah.
taking it to the next level. And they say, want to take you higher, we take you higher.
Yeah. 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 I
Yeah,
love it. I
yeah,
love
yeah,
it.
yeah, baby, higher, higher.
Awesome.
What about your work on the many albums of Black Uhuru, and how did it feel winning
Oh,
that Grammy?
well, I don't know, Black Uhuru really, they was the one who kind of set another tone for us because I know Michael Rose from it was very young. Michael Rose's brother and I were good friends, and I was trying to introduce his brother to producing Michael, but he died in a crash. So Michael came to check me and told me that his brother died. So I said, well, I'm at Channel One. If you need to check me, you can check me down here. So I started checking me, and I tried to record some one and two songs by him solo. And then he mentioned this friend of his called Ducky that he was as a group, Black Hole, and he said if you can bring him down. I said no problem, bring him and let's see what we have to offer. So we kind of work out the sound, and then when we went on tour at Peter Tosh, we realized that the reggae was kind of light performing in those big arenas like 50,000 people, 100,000 people. We didn't have the energy and the power. So Robbie and myself was there wondering how can we get the power because the rock and roll people and like people like Santana were really slamming it. And we said we have to get reggae on this platform. We have to change something. So when we came back from tour, Black Roll was the first experiment. And if you listen to the song like Guess Who's Coming to Dinner and all, like you could hear a different change of sound in the reggae. So this is where it started happening. So we started looking up, making a reggae that could go in this big arena and really stand up to the rock and roll stuff. And then after that, we started playing Peter Truss's song like that. But Black Roll was the main group that really launched that kind of rock reggae kind of sound that could go in the arena and play. And we proved it because we opened for the Stones and we did 6 shows with the Police and we played for what's the name again? This group that sing well, I can't remember the name, but we opened for them and we did a lot of these festivals and things like that. But our attitude was coming from a movie that we had watched called Woodstock.
Okay.
Remember Woodstock? Yeah, the
Yeah.
performance
Yeah.
with Sly the Family Stones, Santana, and all these people. So we kind of took that element and bring it to reggae and said, this is the way we're going to do it, because we're going live and we kind of simply lay back and play. We have to put some aggressiveness in it. So
Right.
Robbie and myself really worked on that and with the drum and bass and developed that era. And this is why I play it like that.
Awesome. So what new music are you working on? What can we expect from you?
Well, I heard, I was listening to what you're playing. You're playing a scat from Hawaii.
Yes.
Yeah, and our next single, first single since Robbie has died, is about to come out now, and it's a ska,
Oh, okay.
and it's called Freedom,
Freedom.
and Freedom, yeah, and it has Sharen doing the hook and vocal Freedom, and then there's Robbie Lane playing the melody, and Charlie Organ and harmonica, and Melvin Williams and xylophone, and Sticky Thompson there doing his percussion thing, and we use a sample from one of those calypso. But it's
Okay.
awesome. Pity you don't have a copy to play on the show, but maybe probably
Hey.
could check
You can
Ricky
send
and
that
probably
over
could get
to
one
us.
from
Yes.
Rory. Yeah, I could send it to you. If you send your email to me, I could send it to you. As we come up here, I could send it to you right now. No, you could blast it. But it's
Oh,
really, really
definitely,
sounding.
An
definitely.
honor.
Yeah.
It will be an esteemed honor and privilege. We'll make
Yeah,
sure
yeah,
to
yeah,
get
yeah,
it
man.
on.
So,
Yeah.
so we're not already playing this guy. I'll say, I wonder if, you were thinking like I was thinking, are you going to surprise me with something and play the record? I said, maybe Ricky has well, I said, wow, like we're on the right channel on the right track. So I really want to send it to you and let you have a listen for it.
All
It's a
right.
new single, the first single that came out since Robbie died. And
Rest in
so this
peace
is
to the
not out,
legendary.
not out yet. It's about to go to like a pre. I sent it to like DJs
Okay.
before we can give you the copy. So I can send it to you. Once I get your email address, right, I can send it to you as we finish speaking.
All right. We'll make sure that happens. All right, Richard. We'll make sure that
Yeah.
happens. Well, give thanks, Mr. Dunbar. So, if people wanted to find out more about you, get in contact with you, book you for production, or just get in contact, how do they do that?
Well, they could go on, use my email address, go on YouTube or whatever, send anything they want to send. I get the message or whatever. See, I'm not I know I'm on social media, but I don't remember my name on the social media because I'm so busy making music, so I don't worry about that. I know that they will find me. You just ask
Yeah.
somebody, say you can get in touch with Sly for me. They'll find me.
All right. Good stuff. Well,
Yeah.
thank you for sharing this time with us in your busy schedule. I know things
Yeah,
are getting
yeah.
over there in Jamaica, but thank you so much. We will definitely be debuting your new single, our pre-release exclusive
Yeah, pre-release, man.
for
Just send it right-
for
send it to you
Island
next
Heat.
minute.
All right.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, man.
if it's on the way, if we get it before the show, it's going live tonight. Lady Lalabella,
You bet. And it was a pleasure
Yeah, man, I
chatting
send
with
it
you,
to you,
Mr.
man.
Dunbar.
Yeah,
thank
thanks
you
for that.
so
Thanks for
much
taking the
again.
time out to do this interview with me, and I really appreciate it. Very
Oh,
good.
we appreciate you. Have a great evening, sir.
Because I know you're busy people. You have a lot of people to see, things to do, and things like that. So I want to say enough respect.
Give thanks.
Forrest
Give
O'Connor.
thanks.
Okay.
Yeah, so send me the email address right now. I'll send it
Will
to you.
do. He
immediately.
just sent it to you. He just sent it to your phone.
You bet.
Okay.
All right. Give thanks.
Good
Ladies and
Yeah, okay,
gentlemen, the
welcome.
man, the legend himself,
Only Sly Dunbar.
Sly Dunbar,
on
y'all.
APAP Radio. Amazing.
I gotta
Phenomenal.
just give him a round of applause. I mean, so much.
And he's still pushing
Of
them out.
reggae music.
Nothing is stopping him. He's continuously producing and creating great music.
And we're gonna have a exclusive for you guys in just a few. All right, we're gonna let the internet do what they do. All right, it's on the way.
So stay tuned.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we've gotten to the top of the hour, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, as we're broadcasting here from the studios of APAP Radio here in the ATL. I am your host, Super Peck, alongside
Lady Lalabella, drop some tunes, Pondem Peck.
Bam. Well, guess what? We've got to do the Atlanta rundown real quick.
Oh, of course.
We're
We
at top
gotta
of the hour.
tell you Guanana the Air.
8 town, and then we've got our top 10 countdown to jump into. So we have a lot of stuff going on.
In store for you.
I put some of these out here so I could see them real quick and
Yes.
remind me what's going on. All right. So,
Well, let me start by telling you that Idonia One Drop Tour BRT weekend event was massively amazing. He passed through the Stone Crest this weekend, and you already know he had performances from Moyan, Vanessa Bling, Governor, Alkaline, Idonia. It was a rain or shine event, and let me tell you, it started late, but it kicked off with some mad performances, which did not disappoint. There was great energy from all the acts, and let me tell you, the people and the girls, them love Alkaline. Them love him so bad. Them love everything. Everybody was.
I gotta ask you a question because I wasn't there, couldn't make it. You know, I was booked elsewhere. You know, so but how do you, when you go out to a concert? Yeah, do you pay to see the performer sing his songs or him sing along to the songs? Well, barely. Have the audience sing the majority of the lyrics, or at least more than he does. And is that okay? Is that when you spend your money for live performance, is that okay?
Well, you know, having such a big name on the tour to begin with, like Alkaline, somebody who's already crossed over into the mainstream, the expectation is just to see the artist, to be in the room, to be present, to be able to get some of that energy live. Whether it's just the beginning of the song and the rest of the crowd is singing the song, it's just that emanation of the music there in that space, in that venue. So not to say that we don't want to hear him live and we don't want to hear him perform all the songs or in the song in the entirety, but the expectation is just to be present. Whatever the artist can give you in the moment.
So
yeah, take it.
Whatever Alkaline shows up and do, you're okay with. I'm calling the name. That's what I'm talking about. Whatever he shows up and do, it's okay.
You know, it's different now.
Now, I saw Idonia's performance. No, that's dancehall.
Yes, and I mean, but Idonia's an older artist. Idonia is more of a veteran in the dancehall arena. So in that regard...
Alkaline is more than a decade in. Alkaline is a veteran artist now. Alkaline is more than... And you said he's mainstream.
Yeah, he's mainstream. He's crossed over.
Crossed over where?
Into the North American market. People know him.
What song?
Better sit up, but that's a loyalty. You better go and remember me. Me nah sell out, me nah sell out.
Maybe the New York market, maybe Florida. I'm just saying.
You don't think so? It's true.
Mainstream. I don't know the hip hop stations playing Alkaline. I'm sorry, I don't.
Come on, baby, just let me spoil you. Give you everything you like. As long as you're all right, then we all right.
Big up to all Alkaline fans out there. including Lady Lalibella.
Yes, see it. And aforementioned B Reggae Fest was rained on the Saturday, but it'll be back this weekend on Saturday and Sunday. So make sure to stand up and come out to Piedmont Park.
Yeah. The rain was like crazy downpour. It was definitely 40 days and 40 nights worth of a rainfall. Something serious.
I know that the vendors had to recoup and regroup and get themselves together, but hopefully we'll see you back out there this weekend.
Yeah. And then we've got the Cobb County International Fest going down August 26th. That is at 2245 Callaway Road. Mm-hmm. And that starts at 10 a.m.
And then, of course, don't forget Barris on the 20th. And then Stoneboy is going to be in Masquerade on the 16th. That's Wednesday.
Stoneboy,
dancehall artist from Africa. I don't know.
We've got Blank from Unitech and Ivy League. That's August 19th.
That's Blanc.
Excuse me.
Blanc.
Excuse me. Yeah. Get my pronunciations right.
And let me opinion.
Did I miss a syllable?
You have to do it. It's French.
Blah.
You have to big up TJ. You done know Naked Summer. Hit song Drift. Friday, September 1st. Be there, be square. That's the outdoor compound in Lithonia.
Pearl's all white event on the, September 2nd. Charmaine's birthday celebration. And Mr. Lex will be in the building. That is at Bliss.
Mm-hmm.
And
show up in your ivory.
Yeah. Also that night, we've got Rum, Soca, and Coolers. Mm-hmm. I support all three of those things.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's one more Labor Day weekend event that's going to be strictly 2K Fest. Come out in your 2000s gear. Mr. Vegas will be live. That's going to be held at the Utility Works in East Point, 4 to 10 on the 2nd of September.
Then we've got the New World or the Sound Clash going down September 9th. And that's going to be Cosmic Sound versus Young Gun Sound, and featuring 2 bad female selectors. That goes down at the base.
I like it.
So, you want to definitely check that out. And what else we got? Oh, we also Half Naked All White. Yeah.
Again and again and again.
Is that? Okay.
And then, don't forget about the Jerk Festival on the 3rd, Stephen Marley on October 22nd, and Caribbean Runnings 2 to 4 every Friday on WRFG.
So, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for our countdown.
Top 10 Caribbean countdown. Are you ready? Yeah. Let's jump right into it.
We are going to count down now, ladies and gentlemen, the top 10 songs here from artists based here in the ATL. This is what we do each and every week. We take a look at all of the international music streaming platforms. We take a run of all of those numbers, put it into our special matrix, which always spits out in precise order the top 10 songs of the week.
And this week's top 10 songs is going to start off with number 10, Vibrant Undefeated.
Yeah. No one mission thing different though. Every day I wake, me have to try. My mother never left me out for your prayer. So me go for everything I want. I don't know my story. Me I go shock on like Kobe. Bad mind, them the life to see the glory. Why them never like see a youth rise up and climb up. One in them yeah with a 9 but sit and run like sinus. Weed out the grass, got a snake them poisonous. You never know. Say me work hard for this. Put in the work as a hard work do this. Proud of myself when you see me I do this. Never forget where me come from. Man a real ghetto champion. If you don't know the struggle like your mouth, yeah. Like your molly part time we have to tough it out there. In a me one pair of shoes still I step it out there. Got food I feed, couldn't left me family. And when it's all said and done, me no need no crown, nah no respect. Just wanna know say everybody good round me, how you expect. Patiently waiting for my time. Now a time now, yes a time now. Yes a time now. Remember me never did have nothing, that's why me stepping out clean. Coulda never bad mind for nothing. Who that they so I try fi run in. Blind them with the laser light beam. Mankind wicked and corrupt as it seems. Coulda support the thing but switch teams. Coulda support the thing them with streams, but we still dep on them Instagram feeds. Them can't stop me no. Every day me rising up. One time life did rough, but me overcome that because me hurt too much. Prefer loyalty 'cause me no want love too much. Wonder if them know, say me no craft a rod. And from them violate
was a Vibrant with Undefeated. Now we're going to go into our number 9 selection, which is Anthony Malvo, his rendition of In Case You Didn't Know.
Yeah, I can count the time I almost say what's on my mind, but I didn't. No, I didn't. And just the other day, I wrote down all the things I'd say, but I couldn't. No, I couldn't. Baby, I know that you've been wondering. Oh, so here goes nothing. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. And I will be lying if I say that I could live this life without you. Even though I don't tell you all the time, you had my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The way you look tonight, that second glass of wine, that did it. That did it. There was something about the kiss
thinking. Oh, it got me thinking. All the things that I've been feeling. It's time you hear them. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you.
That was Anthony Malvo with In Case You Didn't Know. Number 8 will be DeMarco, Walk Away.
I wish you didn't walk away. I wish you didn't walk away. Yeah. Hey, yo, we fuss and fight up everything that. Just me before the night done me dying that. She find a special time for fly the pin lock. That's when she went to my phone. The amount of dial she dial, the girls a ring back. The amount of find she find out what I impact. The tears she cry, but couldn't win back. Baby, please answer the phone. I wish you didn't walk away, 'cause I didn't get a chance to say that I'm sorry that I broke your heart. I guess this is the price to pay, 'cause I'm missing you. And I hope that one day you feel the same way. Girl, I wish you didn't walk away, 'cause I didn't get the chance to say that I love you. I love you. I love you. Feel like I'm
Walk Away by DeMarco. That was number 8. Now, number 7 is by the one, Miss Heavy, Jada Kingdom, IDG1F.
Yeah. Twinkle.
You're listening to Vic Records.
You are my nana, nah get none. Pretty girl love money, run some funds. Want my, can't get none. Bad girl love money, send that come. You must be stupid, don't even flirt with me. What you doing? Me not interested, keep it pushing. Come out of my face and give me some space. A little bit too enough, you don't chat to me. I was so, don't make my song them gas you, 'cause this is a brand new motto. My too good for my past, and I know this game too well. You notice my legs, them new ones spread. Can I get none, so go to hell. Rather lay down and self. A win is a win, me a bust my nut, 'cause I'll be damned if I let you look for me, then look for you. I really must crack you, sit down and spark up, yeah. You're free for carry me out. Give me money and buy my stuff. That's about it, you not go cuff. Get it out your mind, you never look. Hey, you coulda wished on all the stars, but the one and not fall for you. That's about it, we not go. Get it out of your head, you not no look. Call it what you want, I don't give one. What you think about me? Some say the best things in life read, but them not chat about mine. Call it what you want, if you don't agree, then I think it's best you loan me. No boy or girl can clown me. Good thing my grandma grow me. Call it what you want, I don't give one.
IDG1F by Jada Kingdom. That was number 7. Now going into we could talk more about that, but we're just gonna keep it pushing. Number 6, DeMarco, John Crow.
You hear that? You hear that? Man a dirty old drunk up. Every day another gal inna the condo. 14 parish every go on every angle. But na the be man a bronco. Nana money at the convo. Real top like Anjo. Every gal a ball up when make a dancer. Roll with a mish deck. Dancer. Send me up. Top gal is dog when no similar. Silly for me clean dog, watch a image up. Real junk crowd, dirty hot junk crowd. Send me up. World class dog when no big enough. Real star boy check any cinema. Real junk crowd, dirty hot junk crowd. Bunny, who portal pan the north, book a big villa. Total panic cars, gal a back it up. Grab it, boat and panic. Turn round, gal get vocal pan the bar. Then she get on the last. Then a motion when it's sport pan a blast.
Me short spend the most granna dance, have the most gala glance. See me up, top gal is dog, we no similar. Silly for me clean dog, watch a image up. Rich young crowd, dirty hot young crowd. See me up, world class dog, we no big enough. Real star boy, check any cinema. Rich young crowd.
Dirty hot young girl. That was DeMarco at number 6. Number 5 will be DeMarco again with the entry Life.
Yeah, yeah, sponge. And if we could have buy life, yeah, and if we could have buy life, yeah, and if we could have buy life, all of me talks and me can't with a day I buy right, yeah. Dance with a day a party and me for day a 9-9. Well, a small prayer my choice. We did have a vision, but it's smeared by sight. Yeah, that you me coulda buy life. Empty the Wells Fargo, the youth them fit up on the field that we bench one go. One reign supreme, but an event shine up. We did a chase a dream, so my friend gone suck down. Sell any asset, any money me we spending out. Sponge pop another back up pony anyhow. 21 gun salute, we never selling out. Wouldn't hesitate no doubt, and if we coulda buy life.
Life, DeMarco at number 5. Our number 4 selection will be Spice with Spice Marley.
The great Polofin, Angela. Yeah, man. Well, I give thanks to the Most High God. I declare only good things in my life, and I denounce anything that's bad. Yeah, man. Sila. Our Father who art in heaven, thank you for everything I was given. Pray that my sins will be forgiven. Multiply my blessings 10 times 11. I bind up every tongue that speak against me. I beg you wash me from my head to feet, you cleanse me. Every day I tell them that the Lord defends me. Fight against all those who fight against me. Because here I am, the one that overcame everything that was meant to put me down to shame. All of my enemies fighting in vain. Cause I walk with the Spirit of God that proclaim. I beg you, Lord, don't leave my side. Journey with me on this earthly ride. You heal my pain every night that I cried. Under the shadow of the Almighty God I abide. Now I gotta lead me, I keep me. My God, I lead me, I keep me. Father, gotta lead me, I keep me. My God, I lead me, I keep me. Gotta cover me like every time. Who no like me, go join the back of the line. Cause Father, gotta lead me, I keep me.
My gotta lead me, I keep me. Spice Marley at number 4. Number 3 is Spice, Queen of the Dancehall.
Welcome to dancehall in a Jamaica. Body rider, mesh marina. Big gold chain and me chaparita. Queen of dancehall, me the back up in ya. Diamond stacks, big up every skanker. Weed a crush up in a palm with 5 finger. Magnum in a me hand with me ear bright color. Body a bounce like ball. Me a the queen of the dancehall. Bounce up a body pan the ground like ball. Me a the queen of the dancehall. Body a bounce like ball. Me a the queen of the dancehall. Bounce up a body pan the ground like ball. Me a the queen of the dancehall. The queen back pan the throne coulda never be the throne. Body lift up like Joan, titty stiff up like cone. Play with the like phone of me black skin tone. Me a bounce up me body, but this girl inna the zone. Body cock up inna this, 'cause me dey back up inna this. Your man a jack up inna this, two a wheel up inna this. Look how me rock up inna this, stick like a clock up inna this. Pony no slack up inna this, that's why me boom like this car. The man love when me legs apart. This a the key to the man heart. Shuffle the deck, me a the queen of heart.
That was Spice, Queen of the Dancehall. Number 2, Spice, God a Bless Me.
I'm gonna call it.
No, wait. We got a pulse.
Yes, I was afraid, I was terrified. No one knows what I really been through, but God stayed by my side. Been through the darkest road every day. I mean, if you thank God, say me still alive. Haters feel again because me overcome every obstacle we're coming on me life. Well, enough of them, I look for see me flop and mash up. If me drop down in a this, me get back up and stand up. God, they on my side in a times when it rough. And me stand up in a this, up in a this, up in a this. Them call up me name and mix up my name and tell I what a king. Them never know if me dead or alive, but yes, the news I bring. Never scaring on me chest, we prove I got me worshipping. No me dash me whole life, bringing a new beginning. Me see the enemy, I pray when them see the new me. My new life, at this, them envy. Sit down and a chat and them a worry about me. Living in my new life, me no see nobody. Oh, no matter what, them can't depress me. Them don't like me true, them see God that bless me. All where them attack, them can't address me. Cause me feel me new life success caress me. No matter what, them can't depress me. Them don't like me true, them see God that bless me. All where them attack, them can't address me. Cause me feel me new life success caress me. Them no run to give me water fi carry a basket.
Let's do a rundown of our top 10 countdown before we get to number 1. Number 10, Vibrant Undefeated. Number 9, Anthony Malvo, In Case You Didn't Know. 8, DeMarco, Walk Away. 7, Jada Kingdom, I Don't Give One F. 6, DeMarco, John Crow. 5, DeMarco, Life. 4, Spice, Spice Marley. 3, Spice, Queen of the Dance Hall. 2, Spice, Gotta Bless Me. And number 1 is Jada Kingdom and the 9, Turn Me On.
Me know you just want my good. To them other girl give you when you want it. You have a vibe and me can't ignore it. I will bless you if you're working for it.
Anytime you ready, girl, just say the word. Top 3 and a second I fell.
Never, yeah. No sir, not me. Me ain't got no time for them energy.
My girl, why pre? Come here, just wind up your body.
Me gon' need a break, and if you want to show me out, you gon' need a break, it come a goodly break out.
We can stop each chatting cause that turn me on. Turn me on, turn me on.
Need a real nigga now, not no phony. I'm a number 1 girl, me a trophy.
Me know yeah, me know say this how you want. Me know yeah, me know say me alone in love.
Me go pick it up and drop it like enough is not enough. If me make it get my then you know you have to go.
Me and grab it, slap it up and make a little snap. Cock it up and set it good and then you throw it back.
No sir, not me. Me I got no time for them energy.
My girl, why breathe? Come here, just wind
From yacht to the streets.
Here you go, y'all. The top 10 songs from artists that are based here in the ATL of Caribbean descent, making Caribbean music. That's how that go. Yeah.
You ask and we deliver. This is Island Heat.
Chat about. So, big up to everybody on the countdown.
Big up to everybody listening.
Yeah.
From yacht and abroad.
Now, we have got some more news from the streets, some heat from the streets. Oh, where were we with?
Popcaan.
Popcaan. Posted and deleted. Boy.
Him wasn't in feeling.
Wagwan Popcaan.
You know, every once in a while there comes an artist who, you know, sees someone who they want to emulate. And so this said artist will bring in this younger, you know, protege to kind of, you know, train him, bring him up in a way. And in this case, this was Popcaan talking about his younger protege who had come up under him, Valiant, at one time, known by a different name. And he posted an onstage mentioning that, you know, them have lost a memory. So, you know, Valiant look humble beginnings of what could have been a Valiant at the time.
Yeah.
And Popcaan just called him outside and put him on, you know, display, which resulted in fans with just an upheaval of comments. How dare you? You never bust the artist.
Uh-oh.
And how you do it, Popcaan. Yeah, carry feelings.
Well, you know, here's the thing, right? They've all had their run, right? Popcaan had his run, right? Along comes a new artist, because Popcaan established on a certain levels now.
See, that's
right.
Okay.
Now, the same thing happened, if you remember, Massacre used to roll with Conscience.
Yes, that's very true.
Right?
Mhm.
And then there was a row between the two of them, some disagreement between the two of them.
Mhm.
And where Massacre felt that Conscience wasn't doing enough for him.
Because what often happens is that these artists realize that they can never be number one. They can only go as far as their mentor goes. So,
You have to step out on your own, do your own thing.
So one Instagram user remarked, Popcaan is the definition of, I want you to do good, but not better than me. Not one of the people in that picture are still around him. That says a lot.
Yeah. That this is life. Especially I think when you're a celebrity, right? And, there's a lot of, I think, expectation that people tend to have because you have money, right? So as long as you have money and you're their friend, then you're supposed to solve all of their problems, especially with your money.
Big up Bounty Killer, because Bounty Killer is one of the key artists that I could say gives artists a forward and sincerely puts them in the limelight every time.
Yeah, and if you step wrong at the killer, boy, I tell you.
Same way said. Big up Kid Queens in the same breath.
Never ending, relentless. What?
Them other damn thing. Big up Killer. Big up Valiant, because it never stopped him.
Lady Lalibella, it didn't stop him.
It never stopped him.
And nothing that can stop us either, because
It's our time.
we have received an exclusive. We've got it here, ladies and gentlemen, for the first time, debuting, world premiere here on the Island Heat Show. This is brand new music from Sly and Robbie, y'all. I'm going to touch the instrumental first, so we get to hear the production, hear the instruments. This is Sly and Robbie first single release since the passing of the great Robbie Shakespeare. Ladies and gentlemen, this one is called Freedom. Let's go. I come again from the top, y'all. Pull up again. This is brand new music from Sly and Robbie, y'all. The Freedom instrumental right here, APAP Radio.
Exclusive.
Yeah. Let's go. Island Heat. Heat from the yard to the street.
From yard to the street.
From yard to the streets.
It's the voice of Sharen Anderson, y'all.
Beautiful vocals, amazing production. Big up, Sly.
We dancing because we free. APAP Radio, world exclusive.
Freedom.
Sly and Robbie, let's go.
You hit it here first. Sly and Robbie production, Freedom.
Lady Lalabella, it bad.
Sharen Anderson on the vocals.
You know what? I'll pull it up from top one more time.
It's sweet, it's sweet, it's sweet. Island Heat.
I'm playing it again from top. I said I'm playing it again from top, yo. You know they got the piano sound, right? You know the Afro beats, right? Mixing with the soul, mixing with listen, Trouble, Sly and Robbie, y'all.
Funk.
This is that Freedom. Let's go, brand new music, world premiere. In the studio, I'm loving this track.
This ska revival.
I'm saying.
I mean, it is just turning the temperature up a notch, keeping it real hot.
Listen, but you understand? I can see Baltimore going crazy, right? Yo, I gotta make sure DJ Cash gets this track. This is Mamba Tuesdays.
Yes, certified. It's ready.
Right here. Yeah.
Ready to go.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is major. This is major.
And what I love is that they don't miss a beat. They don't skip a beat when it comes to what the streets need. This is the music of the young people. This is the music of the dancers.
The man say he looks and see what's going on out there and makes music for that.
For the people, for the movement of the people.
Chat about.
How you mean? This comes from people who produce Punky Reggae Party, Bob Marley. Come on now.
Hey, now you know what you talking about. That's the real deal right there, y'all.
Underneath it all, no doubt, with Lady Saw just went multi-platinum.
Listen, the hits after hits after hits are still coming, still forwarding out of the great minds.
The rock.
Listen, Sly Robbie, salute. Brand new music, Sly Robbie, the first single since the passing of Robbie Shakespeare.
Yes.
We had the man here live for
On
interview right here, Island Heat. We got some big things lined up, some big things. You know, we got more exclusives coming at you. Trouble.
So stick with us. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you're tuned in every week. You won't want to miss what's coming next.
Listen, this next one, I'm getting it in because, you know, one of my favorite artists for the better part of the last 30 years.
That's saying something.
Yeah. He's got some new music on the way as well. All right. And, you know, when it falls along to message music in these times, right? Especially in these times, he already told you that the world was upside down. Right?
True.
No, he's reminding you who you are and you're born for greatness. This is the voice of Gargamel, a.k.a. Mark Myrie, a.k.a. Buju Banton. Let's go.
This requires extraordinary fitness. This is something special, you should all be a witness. I was born for greatness. I won't forget this. Superstars, supercars, supermodels. And beyond that level, you won't get me started. I was born a rebel. So don't get comfortable. I don't follow your rules, I guess I'm lawless. Still making big moves regardless. Some of your pay grade, so let it go. We coming in thousands and tenfolds.
I don't follow your rules, I guess I'm lawless. Still making big moves regardless. Some of it pay grade, so let it go. Coming in thousands and tenfolds.
Mayday, we're about to crash the party. No apology this time, very sorry. Got to move, show me what you can do. Nobody judging you, just like the fuse. When this is over, we start a new chapter. World is a stage and everyone is an actor. So I keep it real and show my true character. I was born for greatness. I don't follow your rules, I guess I'm lawless. Still making big moves regardless. Some of you pay great, so let it go. We coming in thousands and tenfolds.
I don't follow your rules, I guess I'm lawless. Still making big moves regardless. Some of it pay grade, so let it go. Coming in thousands and tenfolds.
The voice of Buju Banton right there.
Greatness.
Yo, the instrumentation. Yes, indeed, y'all. We've got just a little bit of time left. We got some birthday shout outs to do real quick.
Birthday, happy birthday. Now we're going to start with August the 14th. That is today. Yabba you. Vivian Jackson. And we have Matthew Greenwich, my apologies, on the 14th as well. August 16th.
August 16th, we've got Esco from the left side of Esco.
Okay.
Esco.
Okay,
Yeah.
Matthew Thompson, see that. And Chosen as well.
Yeah, hey, big up to all of my reggae gospel fans. We had dropped the ghetto gospel rhythm, brand new rhythm from Richie Stevens a couple weeks ago. So big things going on for the gospel music industry. So happy birthday, Mr. Chosen, every time. And of course, Johnny Nash, excuse me.
That's John Lester Nash Jr. on the 19th.
Yes, indeed. And I'm not familiar.
Hog Dog Hoon.
I'm not familiar. I'm assuming he's an Asian reggae artist.
Yeah, man, and he's on the 20th.
We get all that information.
Absolutely. When we say from yard to the streets, we really giving you the international peak of Guan. Do we have a little time to touch on Lady Saw and her GoFundMe?
GoFund Lady Saw.
GoFund Lady Saw, she is looking to build her own sanctuary, her own church. Minister Marion Hall launches a U.S. $2 million GoFundMe campaign to build a church. Why not? The gospel artist who hung up her secular shoes as the formidable Lady Saw in 2015 founded the Holy Ghost Pentecostal Church of Jesus Christ in 2020, calling it the Lord's House. Hall wrote, "We have found a property to build a home. Can you please help us by donating to the purchasing and building of the Lord House? Thank you. May the Lord bless you in all things." The campaign went live on Thursday and stated that it had a $2 million goal, $70 of which was raised that day. And the building will also serve as a base for Hall's cooking ministry, which she started long before baptizing in 2015. She want to feed people mentally, spiritually, physically.
All of that.
Yes.
Yeah. Kiss out our Bible. Hashtag kiss out my Bible. This is. So good luck with that, Lady Saw. Shout outs to the winner of the Barbados Crop Over title for the year. Quan the Artist won the Road March winner. He got 11 plays for his big song Waistline. So shout outs to them. And also in the news, Jay-Z's mom got married.
Gloria said "I do" to her longtime partner, Roxanne Wilshire, in an intimate ceremony on Sunday in New York. And her son is, happy about his mom's newfound love.
It happens to be a Trinidadian woman. That's why we just mentioned it. We're covering the diaspora. Yeah. So Trinidadians, you now have a Carter in the family or something like that.
The wedding was attended by a number of celebrities, including Jay-Z, Beyonce, Tina Knowles, Blue, their daughter, and Kelly Rowland, including Tyler Perry.
Yeah. So
some doubles to serve, doubles.
All of that. I'm being very, very good. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to do our island roll call because it's time to get out of here. So thank you each and everybody for tuning in as always. Shout outs to everybody from Guyana.
Shout out to everybody from Jamaica.
Big up to everybody from Trinidad and Tobago.
Big up Guadeloupe.
Shout out to everybody from Barbados.
Big up Grenada.
Big up to everybody from the Bahamas.
Big up the Cayman Islands.
Big up to the U.S. Virgin Islands.
Big up to the British Virgin Islands.
St. Bartholomew.
Aruba.
Big up the Turks and the Caicos.
Big up Dominica.
And shout outs to St. Vincent and the Grenadines. I'm doing all the double ones. Yeah.
Why not Dominican Republic and Haiti then?
And big up Antigua and Barbuda.
I said that, but
you said that. Play back a song.
Anguilla.
And big up to Dominica.
Martinique.
And St. Lucia.
And Montserrat.
And the Bermuda, and that's it.
Okay.
No, I think did we get Cayman Islands,
Puerto Rico,
and Puerto Rico. Yeah, and shout outs as always to Panama,
Costa Rica.
We got to represent for they Panamanians are basically Jamaicans that speak Spanish.
They got a little bit of everything. Yes, they got the flavor. They got the island heat.
Everybody, peace and love. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. This is the Island Heat Show on APAP Radio, y'all.
Same time next week.
Order in the courthouse. My name is Judge Life Sentence. And I'm here to persecute Babylon for all the wrongs that they have done black people for over the years. But Your Honor, Shut up. I don't want to hear an next word out of your mouth. You sick me. Your meditation filthy. No, 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 no. I found them guilty, guilty as charged. For all the wrongs you've done to Rastafari people. Oh, oh, found them guilty, guilty as charged. So many years they brutalizing the people. Oh no, ready? Charge them for perjury, charge them for fraud, charge them for the
Island Heat Caribbean Show, APAP Radio. Keep it locked. From yacht to the street. APAP Radio. Keep it locked.